Hello everyone, I'm back. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So, for today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make my kale juice. I'm going to mix with other vegetable and fruits, and if you are interested to know what it is, just keep on watching. I'm going to share with you the health benefits of kale. Disclaimer guys, I'm not a medical expert. The information that I'm sharing you here is just part of my learning through reading and research. So, one of the health benefits of kale are: kale is very high in nutrients and very low in calories. Kale is loaded with powerful antioxidants. Kale is extremely high in vitamin C, an antioxidant that has many important roles in the body. Can help lower cholesterol, which may reduce the risk of heart disease. Kale is one of the best sources of vitamin K. Kale contains substances that have been shown to fight cancer. Kale high in beta-carotene, an antioxidant that the body can turn into vitamin A. Kale is a good source of minerals. This includes calcium, potassium, and magnesium. Kale make an excellent addition to a weight loss diet. So guys, this is the two apple that I'm going to use to mix with my kale juice, and I'm run out of big carrots, so I am going to use baby carrots here. So now I'm going to slice my apple into really small because my juicer that I'm going to use this time is different. I'm going to use an amzchef juicer since I am going to use kale here, and it really works with the kale. Now I have here a kale with me that I'm going to juice, and this is really important that we need to include also of our drink every day or diet. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm using 4 leaves of kale just like this. Our kale, carrots, and apple is ready. So let's get started juicing this using our juicer for today, which is amzchef. So this is my juicer that I'm going to use, amzchef. So in this video, I already start juicing the kale and carrots and apple. All we have is just keep feeding the juicer with whatever you want to juice. That's the kale. I alternate it, kale, then the hard stuff, which is the apple and carrots. Really nice. This juicer, guys, is cold press, slow masticating juicer according to the description. So if you are juicing leaves like this, kale, spinach, or other stuff, the slow masticating juicer will really do a good job. So all we have to do is just keep feeding the juicer, and sometimes you also need to help push the stuff that we had down. I like this juicer compared to the other one that I have. And it is also less pulp compared to the other one. With the other one, sometimes I use the strainer because too many pulp, but this compared is different. This morning I also juice papaya, and kids really love it, especially Anisha. Maybe because papaya is so sweet. Color is really beautiful, perfect combination. Now we are done with the juicing, so this is how it looks like, and this is our juice. Now let's go and drink, and let's see what's the taste of our kale juice for this morning. This is our juice. Let's put it in the glass so we'll see how beautiful our juice today. There it is, so green. So guys, cheers for our drink this morning, kale juice. Once again, if you don't like the pulp, you can use the strainer, but I don't mind drinking it with the pulp. Let's cheers. Really good for me. All I taste is the sweetness of the apple, which I really like.
I really like some.
You like to try some?
Yeah.
Okay, we have another one here who would like to give her review with the juice. Here, Anisha.
I want to look at the camera on the phone.
Okay, look at the camera in the phone.
It's really good and tasty.
Okay, she said good and tasty.
And really sweet.
Okay, that is because of the apple that I put on, 2 apple. So this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you have any comment or suggestion, just write it down below in the comment section.
Hey, Mommy.
What?
You ran up bananas too.
Alright, so kale juice with carrots and apple for today. Really good.
When it's good for you, you can help your whole body.
Please my video and subscribe if you're not connected yet with me. Thank you for watching.